Hey, are you okay? Looks like you got a decent cut there. Do you have a first aid kit on you?
Yeah, I think I have something. Here we go. This should do the trick.
Does that say second aid kit?
Yeah, it was a lot cheaper than a proper first aid kit, and it's basically the same thing.
Well, what comes in it?
There's a hot chocolate powder and an extra pair of socks and a card that says goodbye and good luck.
Perfect. That's everything you need. Well, I'll be back on my walk then. Looks like you're gonna be just fine.
Wait, no. Please, I need help. I need this cut patched up.
Sure thing, stranger. You know, you should always bring a proper first aid kit when you're spending time outdoors. A little preparation goes a long ways, and a small cut like this could have big consequences out here.
You're right. I should bring a first aid kit from now on.